We have stumbled upon the turtle sanctuary, Tortugas Marinas. It's essentially a turtle hospital. They've got loads of little bathtubs over here with turtles that are in a stage of recovery, and the idea is that they're trying to reintroduce the species to the island, the loggerhead turtle species. They become endangered. From my understanding, they bring eggs over from Cape Verde. They incubate them here and off they go back into the ocean. So it's a very good cause, and it's totally free to get in. They've got two nice round pools over there with two very big turtles in them each. They're very sweet. They do come up and say hello. Rightly so, you're not allowed to touch them or put anything in the water because obviously really they need to be left alone. It's here in Moriable, and you can actually park right outside the place too. It's free parking just by the pool. Just find your way down to the pool and you turn right just before you go to the ferry terminal. A lovely way to spend a few minutes.